Every once in a while, you've got to take a break here on the farm. And some of the best kind of breaks involve popcorn. But if you don't have any Orville Redenbacher's nuclear microwavable radiation popcorn, you probably have this thing. A tiny kernel that you have no idea what to do with. Well, in this video, I'm going to give you guys the step-by-step process on how to make popcorn without a microwave. Step 1. Get out your kernels. There are all different kinds of kernels out there in the world for you to try out. Our favorite is the white kernel here, so that's what we're going to be using today. When you pick out your kernels, you have to measure how much popcorn you actually want. For us 5 people, we usually do 1 full cup of kernels, which makes around 24 cups of popcorn. Popcorn has a volume expansion of over 25 times, so only a small bit of kernels can go a very long way. Step 2. Pour 2 tablespoons of avocado oil in this really big bowl. Or pot. Mom wants me to call it a pot, so I'm calling it a pot now. It looks like a bowl to me, but I don't know. Anyway, this bowl is designated popcorn bowl for our family. You can always have one for your family too.
It's a pot!
Okay. All you have to do though is make sure your designated pot has a lid. Because if not, then the popcorn will be flying everywhere and that would be a very bad day for you all. Then pour your kernels into the big pot and put it on the stove. Turn the stove to medium and then in about 5 minutes, the corn will start popping. Step 3. Get your salt and butter out. Without this step, your popcorn will taste like mere pieces of styrofoam. For all the popcorn, we usually do 3/4 stick of warmed up, virtually liquid butter. But it depends on your personal preference and how much you should put in it. Same with the salt. Make sure you have a serving bowl out, and then... Alright, Mom says this is a bowl, and that's not, but okay then. This is a bowl, y'all. Take out the popcorn when the pot is full. There may be more kernels in the bottom of the pot, so don't pour those out. Leave the rest of them to pop as well. Remember what I said about styrofoam? Yep. Step 4. Sprinkle salt and pour on your butter. Mix it thoroughly, and then there you have it. Remember that it takes a few times to master all these popcorn techniques. Okay. I'm a saltaholic. This is about time the vultures start coming around. Shoo. Although he's not good at cooking much else, my dad is actually the best at making popcorn because he's done it for so long. Remember to use avocado oil. Do not use olive oil because it has a very bad tasting aftertaste. Just your friendly disclaimer. And now that you got some popcorn, you can sit back and relax and watch my videos without getting hungry. See you guys next time on That's Farm.